Team, we will release an official statement regarding the meeting with the Home Minister after discussion with all the members, delegates. So we'll come to something concrete and consensual points so that we can give it to the public. That much we can.
What
do.
are the agendas?
Agendas is peace talks, nothing else concerning Manipur. That's it.
Regarding MSCN and Sangrai Festival to boycott and withdraw, what's it?
Well, regarding the boycott of Sangrai Festival, we set certain demands to the government, state government, and accordingly we have boycotted it. And even regarding that also, we will have a due consultation with our advisory committee and all the stakeholding opponent organizations as well and the people of Manipur. And we will proceed whether to lift or to continue the boycott. We'll decide. But right now we have just got the first-hand information and the assurances from the Home Minister. That one we will discuss together again and how do we move forward. That one we'll decide.
What does Home Minister say? What's the assurance?
That one we will give out on officially.